Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to digitize a topographic map covered by grid XX. So for that we need a map. Let's go to my catalog. I will bring the topographic map of Pokhara, and then we have a grid. For this exercise we will be doing grid number 4. Let's select the grid, select by attributes, number equals to get unique values 4, apply. So we have selected the grid. Now let's clip the grid, input feature grid, clip feature grid, as we have already selected the grid. After selecting input feature and clip feature, let's select where we want to save the clipped file. We'll name it 4, save. So now we have the desired area. Now let's clip only this area of this toposheet. So let's clip this topographic map. For that, go to the Arc toolbox, data management tools, raster processing, clip, and we'll input Toposheet. Output extent is 4. OK. So now we have clipped just this part of this topo map. Let's see if it's there. Now let's move on to the next part, that is creating point, line and polygon features in a shapefile. There are 3 features: point, line and polygons, different thematic layers, and we'll give different names. To add the features, go to catalog, make a new folder, let's name it Digitize. Right click, new, and save file. So there are 5 feature types: point, polyline, polygon, multi-point and multi-patch. So I will select point and then give a name, building. Now you can add a coordinate. I will select MUTM 84. OK. And OK. After creating the shapefile, start editing. Select the shapefile that you have just created. Create features. And now you can start pointing. After you have pointed all the features, save edits and then stop editing. Now you can see the point features that you have just pointed. So these are the buildings. Similarly, we can create a polyline with roads. Digitize, right click, new, save file, and this time we'll select polyline and we'll give the name road. Edit the coordinates, MUTM 84, OK, file, editor, start editing. Now select the road, OK. Click on this road in the create feature, line, and you can start making lines. And double click to finalize. After you've made the line, again save and stop editing. So now you have roads and buildings. So you can add all the features from this Toposheet in your ArcGIS. I have added land features, also contour, river, roads, services, spot height and building. So this is how you digitize a Toposheet on ArcGIS. Save. In next video, we will learn how to design in layout view with symbol and label features. Thank you. See you in next video.